flange here that we pulled, and actually it's broken on both sides. If you can see that, it's broke there and it's broke there. So we're going to use the 3D Plumbing Products toilet flange repair kit. It's a newer product, and we're going to just replace these rails with it. And first we'll start off by trying to get it on one side and see if we can't slide it around to the other. I think we got enough room on the one, maybe not the other. Maybe I got to take a little bit of tile out. I'm going to try to hit it on with a rubber mallet here and see if we can't just get it to tap on if I can. We don't have to go through all that, but it looks like I got just a little bit right there that I'm going to have to. Okay, I'm going to tap this guy around. We got the tile out of the way, and it should just slide around like this. We'll get it around to the bolts so these bolt holes line up, and then put the other piece on, and then we should be in business. Just slightly tap it around. It'll go unless it gets bunched up on anything. Get caught on something. Oh, there's some grout right there. You never know what these tile guys are going to do. There's that much grout on. Put the other one on, and then we'll tighten it down. It should be a done deal. I've learned that if you leave a little bit of this wax on here, you don't even have to use these scrub screws that come with it, because the wax will take up that space. It makes it pretty solid in there. Let's see, we're almost there. There we go, right there. Want those rails to line up on that side. Then we'll take this guy, and this one goes under. This one goes over. We'll tap it with the rubber mallet so we get them in place, which is right there. And then we want to line these holes up, just like that. Then we'll take the toolkit that comes with it. And, well, I don't want to bite this. I have my hand in wax. But should have. There we go. Look at that. The two I need came right out. Okay, I'm going to line this up. You can see this over here. Get that one started. You don't want to tighten it all the way till you get the other one in too. Because if you tighten it down, you may not be able to move that one. And this one's going to go right there. Just like that. That one's tight. We'll tap it in just to make sure. Looks like both the rails are lining up. And tighten that down. He's in there, and all that's doing is just holding the two together, and we're on. We're going to set the bolts and set the toilet, and then we'll show you the finished product. And I like to put one set of nut and washer on the top here. Hello, puppy. Had a visitor there. But I like to do it so these stand up. When you put your toilet down, they won't lay over on you. And it also, if you ever have to get these off again, it makes it where the top nut will come off without the whole bolt spinning if it gets any kind of crud or anything in there. So now we'll put the wax on. I don't use the wax that has the little gasket on the inside of it. The reason I don't is because it reduces the size of the hole for the waste to go through. And that's the whole point of this product here, is it doesn't take up any of the old, it doesn't reduce the flow there. It doesn't shrink it at all. And we just put the wax on right there, and the next step is we'll set the toilet, and we will be back. Okay, here we go. We are finished setting this toilet, and she is sturdy. we go. Another finished product using the 3D Plumbing Products Toilet Flange Repair Kit.